So friends, today we are going to make fries. We'll use the air fryer to make fries, but we won't use potatoes, we will use parsnips. So these are parsnips, and this is like root vegetable, very common in Eurasia, and this is in between. It has a lot of things common with carrots and parsley. It is very high in potassium, it's high in fiber, it's good for your heart health. It has many other health benefits like many other vegetables. So, and it is high in sugar content too, it is sweeter than the carrots. Okay friends, so we'll peel these, cut them, and then we'll air fry them. So we'll peel them first. So we'll just peel them down, and then we'll cut them and air fry. So friends, we have peeled them, cut the top and the bottom, and washed them. So you can see that two are yellowish in color and two are like off-white. So now we will cut them into fries, like thin fries, and then we will air fry them. So we will cut these around that size. So friends, I have cut them in pieces, not too short and kind of thin. So if they are thin, they'll become crispy. So first we'll add some olive oil. So you can be generous in the olive oil. It is healthy and it'll give them the crispiness. And then some salt and pepper. So I'm using some Himalayan pink salt. So, and some pepper. And some garlic powder. Okay, now we will toss them well, and then we will air fry them. Let's air fry them now. So friends, our air fryer is preheated. Now we'll put the parsnip fries that we made. So we can try to put them like in a single layer. And we'll toss them after a few minutes. So I'll give them 10 minutes first, and then we'll take a look at them, and maybe we'll give them more time. So you have to keep checking. So I'm air frying at 300, actually 400 degrees, and I gave it 10 minutes. So we'll come back and check after 10 minutes. So friends, 10 minutes have been over. Let's take a look. So looks like at least the top ones are nice and brown. So we'll just flip them and give them a few more minutes. No, it smells great. You can smell the garlic and the black pepper. So I'll give them another 10 minutes so that they are crispy on both sides. So friends, 10 minutes on the other side are also over. So let's take a look. They look nice and brown on both sides now. So friends, our parsnip fries are ready. So we gave them 20 minutes, 10 minutes, and then we flipped them, kind of mixed them up, and then gave them another 10 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You might have to adjust the temperature depending on how thick you have them, and so you can have them with ketchup, or I like them with salt and pepper and garlic powder. It tastes really good, and they are super healthy. So friends, if you want to have some healthy fries, this is a good option. Definitely try. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay friends, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.